Hey guys, Vince here again with another real quick install video. So big shout out to Extreme Online Store for providing this part that we're going to go over today. So this is going to be a carbon overlay that's going to go over near where your speakers are, near where your dome lights are on the ceiling of your Supra. So if you're wondering what part number this is RLC-523-BKCF, which is this piece right here, full carbon, as you can see. We'll flip it around where you can see the 3M tape. So what I ended up actually doing off camera was I went ahead and polished it with some compound and ceramic coated it with Adams graphene ceramic coat. That's why it looks extra glossy. And you don't necessarily have to do this. Why I ended up doing it was just to provide extra gloss and protection over it and to prevent any smearing or smudging from my nasty fingers, which I have covered with gloves here. So really excited to get this installed. So let's go ahead and do that now and see what it looks like on the car. All right, so what we're gonna do real quick is install the carbon fiber overlay. So literally just a matter of lining it up. So what you wanna do is line it up with the holes, of course. So I'll go ahead and line it up as perfect as I possibly can. And then literally just press it down. And the double-sided tape on this one is enough to get it seated. And as easy as that, you got it installed. So super quick and easy install. If you guys have any questions on this part, fitment is exactly on point. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, but definitely check out Extreme Online Store if you guys are interested in this part. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So I'll see you guys on the next video.